Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for being part all the time. God bless you. Today I'm going to share my tofu recipe with you, or soya meat recipe with you. So please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Do well to subscribe for me, okay? And please also do well to click on the notification bell, and so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notifications. Okay, so let's get started. I have already soaked my soya bean overnight. Yes, I soaked 3 cups. Yes, that is Ghana 3 cups. Three of that, and I soaked it overnight. So what you're going to do is to wash it very well, and then we are going to blend it. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. If today is your first time watching my video, don't go without subscribing and clicking on the notification bell. Okay, so after we'll just squeeze the milk by using a colander. So I'm going to strain it. Yes, and so I'm done doing that, and I strain it about 2 times. Yes, so we are going to boil this. I have it on fire. I have two. One is a big saucepan, and this one is a small saucepan, and so we are going to boil it. Make sure that you stir it consistently so that it doesn't get stuck under the saucepan, and also be watching it so that it doesn't boil over. And also you try and take the foamy part from it. Okay, so we are going to check on the smaller one, and it has already boiled. So we are going to put the fire off and allow it to cool down for 3 minutes. Now this is it. You can leave it on fire. While it's on fire boiling, you can add your coagulant to it, or you can also decide to put it off and then allow it to cool for 3 minutes. And so after 3 minutes, I'm going to use lemon. That is what I'm going to use to coagulate it. You can also use cider, apple cider vinegar, or vinegar. Yes, and so after 3 minutes, I'm going to take the surface from it, and I've squeezed my lemon. Yes, I've squeezed all, and so we are going to use the juice. So what I'll do is I'll just drop in some 3 tablespoons, but I later increase the quantity of the lemon. Yes, if you decide to use apple cider vinegar, make sure you don't use too much. At least 1 to 2 tablespoons will be okay for you. If you use too much, you cannot, you will smell the flavor of the cider in it. So I'm taking the surface from it. So when you add your coagulant to it, you just leave it there. It will coagulate by itself. So this, I'm just taking the foamy parts. Yes, so this one to give it time for it to boil. Yes, okay. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If today is your first time, I want to say thank you for passing by, and God bless you. Okay, so at this point it's okay, and I'm going to put this one to off. Yes, and it has cooled down for about 3 minutes. So I'm just taking the surface and I'm going to add the rest of the lemon to it. Yes, I'll add everything, stir it together. This one too, I later increase the lemon, so you just stir it together. And then so I use about 4.5 of the lemon. Yes, so at this point it has formed. So we are going to form our, so when you leave it on fire for it to boil, then you add your coagulant. This is what you get. You get a clear water. Yes, so this is how it will look like. That's what you get at the end of the day. Okay, so we are going to form or mold our meat. So get a cheesecloth or anything that can help you. And hey, this is my beautiful mold that I'm going to use to mold my soya meat. Yes, if you want one, you can contact me and I'm going to get one for you. Okay, you'll love it. And so yes, so this is it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread my cheesecloth or napkin or whatever you are going to use. I'm going to spread it, whatever I'm using, not you. So I'll just spread it out and then make sure that the hair everywhere is well covered. Yes. And I'm going to scoop my soya into it, the tofu. Yes, I'm going to scoop and then pour everything into it. Yes, please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you, Charlie, at this point is it subscribing mom ata subscribing mom subscribe for me and do what to click on the notification bell. Okay. Like this video and leave a comment. So as I said, I am adding the small one also to it. So as I said, if you want this my mold, contact me and let me get you one. Okay, so I just added salt to it. You can decide to mold it like that without adding anything. And I've also added nutritional yeast also to it. And some seasoning. So this nutritional yeast, which is vegan, vegetarian friendly. And I'm adding my favorite seasoning also to it. Then I'll stir everything. Now, if you are using it for Daniel fast, then you're not supposed to add any seasoning except salt. You can also add black pepper, which I'm going to show you, black pepper or white pepper to it, and that'll be okay. And so stir it, make sure that everything is well stirred. Yes. Okay, then I'm going to wrap it. Yes, fold it on top, and I'm squeezing that side because the water coming out wets it, got it wet, so I just squeezed out. So fold it on top and fold the other sides also. Yes. Okay, and I'm going to place the cover or the lid on it. Okay, then put something heavy on it and then let it relax. And you can see that I have my mold in a serving tray. You can put it in a tray to prevent you from wetting the whole plate. If you don't have a mold, you can just get your cheesecloth or organza or anything that can help you squeeze the water, then be pouring or fetching your tofu into it. Yes. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, then this one I'm adding salt, black pepper, white pepper, and dried thyme. Yes, as I said, if you are using it for Daniel fast, which I'm going to use this one for, don't add in nutritional yeast, don't add in any sweet seasoning, just add salt, or probably, or better still, do it like that, not probably, better still, do it raw without adding anything. Okay, and so after mixing it well, we'll tie it very well and then place something heavy on it. So I'll bring you recipes on Daniel fast. Okay, so watch out. Okay, so the mold one is ready and we are going to check on it. So I'll just take it off. Yes, you see everything well formed. Contact me if you need this tofu mold and I'm going to get you one wherever you are. Just make sure that you contact me. Okay, and so just take the cloth from it and I'm going to turn it to the lid. Yes. At this point, if you have not yet subscribed, I beg, subscribe. So this is it. You see, looking all beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. Yes. And so this I've also turned it onto my how do you call it, chopping board, and I'm using my pizza cutter to slice them. Yes, some sumptuous recipes coming up for this tofu. Okay, So this is the other one. It's also ready, and I'm going to take that one also out. You see. So don't say I don't have a mold, so I can't do it. My dear, you can do it. So just slicing it. Yes. Okay, so this is it. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I have water, tap water, and I'm just placing all my tofu into it. You can place it in the water before you slice them. You can even leave it in the water and keep it in the fridge and use it, but make sure that at least 2 days you change the water so that it will still be fresh. But I decided to take it out and then just pat dry it. Then I'm going to keep it in a Ziploc bag or olonka rubber. Yes, and then keep it in the fridge. But with this, you're not supposed to keep it in the fridge for a very long time. It will spoil. So make sure that you use it quick if you are going to keep it as fresh as it is, or better still, just fry it. Yes, fry it and store it in the fridge. Whenever you are ready, you take it and use it to cook. Do you get it? And so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being part of this video. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Have a blessed day and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.